Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll be showing you one software which will help you in during copying files from one folder to other folder or from your Windows computer to external USB devices like USB pen drives, external portable hard disks and so. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website, thecodesector.com. The website you are seeing here, I'll be providing this website too in the video description. So you can click on that website link too and you can log in to this website. So when you log into this website for the first time, you will be seeing this kind of web page. So you can see here a download option. So you download this software first and install it. So after downloading and installing, run the software. So you can see its user interface. So what it really does, so let me first show you one example. Say I want to copy this file, so you can see to this file. So I'll just copy and I will try to paste it here. So you can see a message in below, copy with copy or copy with the normal Windows Explorer system. So here I will select copy with copy. So while selecting, you can see I have already copied this file, so it will show you all the common files or which are same files which I have copied earlier. So it will be showing you, and there are lots of options that you can edit, you can rename, you can overwrite, you can rename all old target files. Even you have an option to skip all, keep both, everything. Yes, such features, some of the features are also available in the inbuilt Windows file transferring system too. But why I'm saying to use it and what are the benefits of this software is that suppose you can see here the two files will above which I have paused and cancelled, and it is showing double file system. Right now you can see a second one below here, copying 11 files to testing. So you can pause it and you can kill this application or close these applications and you can begin again from where you have left. So this is very useful in our Windows system. Such kind of features are not possible. So sometimes what happens when you start copying, your computer suddenly shut down or go to sleep and you are intense that how much file is being copied and you have to copy the enter files again from the beginning. So it creates a lot of headache. So to overcome such problems, this copy can help you a lot to that stage, and you can copy from where you have been left out. So it will try its best and recover you from everything, and you can copy and start copying from where you have been left out. So try this software. So here you can see I will skip all, or I will just write override all, and I will start again and it's gone totally copied in the other folder. So I can begin this moving again from the above begin. So I can copy or move, I can copy, so I can overwrite all the files from the beginning itself. So this is very useful. So try it out by yourself. If you find this software little complicated to use, then let me know your problems in the video descriptions. I will try my best to help you and guide you. So before concluding my video, I would like to show you some more details in here. So let me make you clear that what are the benefits of using this software. So you can see here, I will show you from the website event to make you a little clearer. Be in control. Suppose say in case of your copy, your Terra copy will try to recover. So when you face any errors during the copying files, then it will try to recover, and even you can see if unable to recover in the worst case scenario, it will simply skip the problematic file, not terminating the entire file system. It can also wait for network or device reconnection. So what happens when you unplug the pen drive and suddenly the copying files has not been completed? So it will try to wait, or it will be wait for you to connect your USB device again in your computer so that you can reconnect it again. So without any killing or without totally closing the software while you are copying files, then it can regain it back. So you can see here one more benefits. Unnecessary files can be skipped to reduce the transfer time too, and during the process TerraCopy shows detected errors and also allows you to fix the problem by recopying only the problematic files. So it's very useful. So you try it yourself by today itself in your computer, and if you have any problems, feel free to leave your comments below in the video descriptions and try it out by yourself. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.